I'm Felicia. I'm with Mesa County Libraries and I work in the Youth Services Department. We are going to be making Seafoam today. So if you're ever sitting at home and you're saying, I'm really bored, it's a good thing you tuned in because this is a boredom buster. So something that you'll need is you'll need water, cornstarch, dish soap, and food coloring. You'll also need a blender or a mixer or a grown-up with really strong arms to help you put this together. So what we're going to go ahead and do is you're going to need 1/4 cup of water. So we're just going to go ahead and pour this in here like that. We're also going to take our cornstarch. Now I have already measured this out, but this is 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. So we'll just like that. And you're going to need 2 tablespoons of dish soap. I think it's a good idea to use a spoon. That way you can kind of get all of the dish soap off of the tablespoon. You'll need 2 tablespoons of it. So we're just going to go 1, a little bit more. Okay, and we are going to just take our spoon, kind of scrape it out a little bit. Okay, and then we're going to do 1 more. There we go. And you can use whatever food coloring you like, but I think today, since my soap is blue, I'm going to use green to kind of give it that soapy, sea foamy color. You can put however much you want into it, just depends on if you want it to be light or dark, whatever you want. And then we're going to go ahead and put this on there. Put it on your blender and make sure your blender's closed. That's a good step. Make sure it's closed. And you're just gonna blend it. It might take a few seconds, 30 seconds max. Just go ahead. And then when it's done, you can go ahead and look at it. If it's the consistency you like, that's great. This one is actually a little bit watery, so we're going to go ahead and mix it some more. Because if it's not, it's just going to come out as soapy water. And that's not as much fun to play with as it is seafoam. So you can put your fingers in there, kind of feel it, and it kind of feels like watery slime. Now this is a really good boredom buster because it teaches your kids their senses. Not only is it, you say, how does it smell? Well, it smells like dish soap. You can say it's slimy. You can pour it in to a bowl. What I recommend is you can play a game of memory by getting little ocean toys or little toys and having your child or person put them in here and then just saying, where is it? Where'd it go? And they can dig through it. They can play with it. The good thing about this is that it only lasts about 15 minutes. So when you're done with it, it's going to go back to being kind of a watery texture. And you can just put it down the drain because it's just soap, water, and cornstarch. This teaches you creativity because you can put different colors in it. You can make it more colorful. You can kind of play around with the ratios of it, problem solving. So what I did was it wasn't mixed up enough. So I said, you know what, let's go ahead and we'll mix it some more. That's a problem solving skill. And it also teaches you critical thinking. And by that, I mean, who would have thought that dish soap, water, and cornstarch made it like this? That's something that you can fool around with. So you can say, what if you substitute flour for cornstarch? What if you substitute sugar? What happens when you do sugar? I want one of you guys to do sugar and then come in and let me know. So thank you guys for joining me today. And just remember, you will get food coloring on your fingers. Maybe wear a shirt that's already, I wore a shirt that's already tie-dyed, so I didn't really care. This is Seafoam. You'll need water, dish soap, food coloring, and cornstarch. You can find it all online at mesacountylibraries.org. And don't forget to sign up for summer reading. You can call, you can come into any one of your favorite branches, Or you can do it online. Just sign up. We have amazing weekly prizes, and at the end of the summer, we have great gifts for everyone who participated. So I hope to see you again soon, and I'll see you later.